Hey guys, I'm Dav from Adobe Vibe YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you Aqua orange color grading effect in Photoshop. Before start this video, be sure to subscribe and please hit that bell notification for getting update whenever I upload a new video. And you can follow me on my Instagram where I upload my new artwork on regular basis. Alright, let's start the process. Select your image, adjustment, channel mixture, output channel, select green, here make green 0, blue 100%, keep rest as same 0%, select blue channel, here make green 100%, blue 0%, again keep rest as same 0%. Change blend mode to lighten. Go to adjustment, selective color, select color red, make cyan plus 50%, yellow plus 100%, keep rest as same 0%. Now select color white, go to black slide bar, make it minus 20%, keep rest as same 0%. Select neutrals, cyan minus 22%, keep rest as 0, go to blacks, select black slide bar, make it plus 20%, keep rest as same 0. Adjustment, curves, and follow this step like this. And that's it. This is my final output. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to click the like button, sharing this video, subscribing this Adobe Vibe YouTube channel to get more amazing Photoshop effect tutorials. Also, you can check out the other amazing video just waiting for you in this channel playlist. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next video soon. I'm Dave from Adobe Vibe YouTube channel.